In this video, you'll learn how to share your screen using TeamViewer so someone else can see or control your computer remotely. This is really helpful when you need tech support, want a colleague to help you with a task, or simply need to show someone exactly what's happening on your screen. First, make sure you already have TeamViewer installed on your computer. If you don't, you can download it from the official TeamViewer website and follow the installation prompts. Once it's installed, look for the TeamViewer icon on your desktop, in your Applications folder, or in your Start menu. Go ahead and open the TeamViewer app on your computer. When it launches, it might take a moment to connect to the TeamViewer network, especially the first time. Just give it a few seconds. Once it's ready, you'll see the main dashboard with several options and tabs. Today, I'll show you how to use the remote support option, which is the simplest way to let someone view or control your screen. In the TeamViewer window, find and click on the button or tab labeled Remote Support. Depending on your version, it may be clearly highlighted or located along the left or top side of the app, but it will be called Remote Support or something very similar. After you click Remote Support, look for the section called Allow Remote Control. This is the area that shows the information someone else needs in order to connect to your computer. Here, you'll see two important pieces of information, your ID and a password generated by TeamViewer. Your ID is a unique number that identifies your computer on the TeamViewer network. The password is a temporary code that adds a layer of security, so only people you share it with can connect. Take a moment to locate both of these. TeamViewer usually makes it easy to copy them, often with a small copy icon next to each field. Now copy your ID and your password from the Allow Remote Control section. You can highlight them and use your normal copy shortcut or use any built-in copy button if it's available. Make sure you copy them accurately because the other person won't be able to connect if there's a typo or a missing digit. Next, share this ID and password with the person you want to connect to your computer. You can send them over a chat app, email, or tell them verbally if you're on a call. Always share this information only with someone you trust, because it allows them to access your screen. Once they have your ID and password, they'll enter that information on their end in their own TeamViewer app. When they connect, you may see a notification or prompt asking you to confirm the connection, accept it, and your screen will be shared. At this point, they can see your desktop, and if you've allowed it, they can also control your mouse and keyboard. If at any time you want to end the session, you can close TeamViewer or use the disconnect option inside the app. That immediately stops screen sharing and remote control. I'll show you the easiest way to share your screen using TeamViewer by remembering these essentials. Open the app, go to Remote Support, find your ID and password under Allow Remote Control, and share those details only with someone you trust. Once they connect, you're ready to start your remote support session.